Chapter 1, Introduction to Self-Publishing. Definition of Self-Publishing. Self-publishing is the process by which an author independently publishes their work, rather than using a traditional publishing house or company. In self-publishing, the author takes on both the roles of the writer and the publisher. This means they are responsible for every aspect of producing, marketing, and distributing their book. Comparison of self-publishing and traditional publishing. Traditional publishing involves an author selling the rights to their book to a publishing house. The publisher then takes care of the editing, design, printing, marketing, and distribution of the book. In return, the author receives royalties from the sales of the book. On the other hand, in self-publishing, the author retains full control and rights over their work. They are responsible for the entire process, from writing and editing to design, marketing, and distribution. While this can be more work, it also means that the author gets to keep all the profits from their book sales. Here's a comparison of the two. Self-publishing. Full control over content, design, and marketing. Whereas in traditional publishing, there is limited control, decisions often made by the publisher. Rights. In self-publishing, author retains all rights, whereas in traditional publishing, rights are often sold to the publisher. In self-publishing, when it comes to profits, author receives all profits. In traditional publishing, author receives royalties, publisher takes a cut. In self-publishing, time to market can be published quickly. In traditional publishing, it can take months or years to be published. In self-publishing, when it comes to cost, author bears all costs, whereas in traditional publishing, publisher bears all costs. Advantages of self-publishing. Control. As a self-published author, you have complete control over the content, cover design, and marketing strategy for your book. Rights. You retain all rights to your book, including the right to sell foreign rights, film rights, etc. Profit. You keep 100% of your profits. Unlike traditional publishing, where the majority of the profits go to the publisher, self-publishing allows you to keep all the profits from your book sales. Speed. Self-publishing is generally faster than traditional publishing. You can publish your book as soon as it's ready, rather than waiting for a publisher's schedule. Disadvantages of self-publishing. Time. Self-publishing can be time-consuming. You are responsible for every aspect of the publishing process, from writing and editing to cover design and marketing. Cost. Self-publishing can be expensive. You will need to cover the costs of editing, cover design, formatting, and marketing yourself. Distribution. While self-publishing platforms like Amazon KDP make it easy to distribute your book online, getting your book into physical bookstores can be more challenging. Marketing. As a self-published author, you are responsible for marketing your book. This can be a significant challenge if you don't have experience in book marketing. In the next chapter, we will dive into why Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) is a popular choice for self-publishing authors. Stay tuned. If you are interested in a one-on-one coaching session to learn about self-publishing on Amazon KDP, you can reach us at blazegoldburst.com or connect with us using the contact details below. To book a consultation call, contact us via WhatsApp, email, or through our website. Additionally, if you want us to self-publish your book on Amazon and other platforms, reach out to us now. We offer the most affordable services worldwide and can publish your book in ebook, paperback, hardcover, and more. With our expertise in the book industry and proven track record, you will gain valuable insights and achieve your publishing goals. Special discounts available for first-time clients. Our team is dedicated to helping you succeed and will provide personalized support throughout your publishing journey. We also offer marketing strategies to boost your book's visibility and sales. Join our community of successful authors and take the first step towards your publishing dreams. Don't miss out on this opportunity to work with the best in the industry. Contact us today and let's make your book a reality.